Welcome QuantumFly fanatics to my latest upload. In this upload we got day 2 with Stan Szybillo of Paradigm Aviation, and you probably noticed I haven't uploaded in a while. Well, that's because the SR20 is waiting for a trim motor from Cirrus. For those of you that haven't had a trim motor fail, I wish you luck. It's not fun. They're not very readily available, but we'll get 383 Juliet Tango back in the sky real soon. Enjoy the video. And this guy can't go one speed either. He keeps changing speed. It was nice to have that rear view mirror in the Cessna.
Station 330, stand for ground, advise when you have ATIS Alpha. Station 330, follow
Thank goodness he's not going to where we're going.
Oh my goodness, all that?
Center via Bravo, Lima, right side.
All that, and he's not even going to 9 right.
Connection 348, it's 36 and 0, request.
You're ready for departure 9 right.
Did you change it or?
I changed the,
okay.
All I did was change to the number 1 radio.
Yep, okay.
347, 9 right, clear for the option.
This is tower now, right?
Right.
We're now on tower.
347.
Stand for tower, 383 Juliet Tango, hold it short 9 right.
383 Juliet Tango, safe tower, hold short 9 right.
Okay, boost pump on.
Holding short 9 right, 3 Juliet Tango. I got it. Remember, when he talks to you, you got to talk back.
42, safe tower, hold short 9 center.
Okay, boost pump on. Mixture rich. Power flaps. And there's something up here, engine page.
We're ready to go. I want you to slow down today. You're going a little too fast today. You're a little anxious or something today. So slow it down.
I'm trying to impress, and in doing that, I'm not impressed.
Try don't impress. Just slow down a little bit.
Okay.
Action 342, fly runway heading
2 miles an hour.
Clear takeoff.
He's building up that time.
Yeah.
Who else is calling?
Our Cirrus 3 Juliet Hotel Tango still holding short 9 right.
Juliet Tango, hold short 9 right.
Holding short 9 right, 3 Juliet Tango.
Always got a guy coming in here.
Now he does.
347,
He could have gotten us out.
He could have gotten us.
He forgot us.
Yeah.
Send down with 7.
Are you doing a low approach or what?
No, he's probably going to do a touch and go.
Number 383 Juliet Tango, fly runway heading home 9 right, 01, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 9 right, fly runway heading 383 Juliet Tango.
Good.
I was ready for it.
Good.
Say again?
I've been ready for about 10 minutes.
Right.
54, contact ground.
Country Club.
Action 347, number 1, 9 right, clear for the option.
For the option, 9 connection 347.
Okay, we have good engine and the green, and we have airspeed.
206 traffic mile and a half.
To the center.
Yep. Okay, 65.
206, follow him, number 2, 9 right, clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option.
Flaps up.
Right. Connection 206.
It's 222, extend that one.
Now connection 222.
330, extend that one.
Extending downwind, connection 330.
335, extend that one.
Send down rotation 335.
A little bit more rudder.
Yep.
Don't chase that 96. Set the pitch at 9 degrees.
Yep. That's why you drilled in.
Traffic.
That's why you got slow.
Okay, CAPS is now available.
Okay.
110.
That's for us, 110.
Turn right 110, 383 Juliet Tango.
383 Juliet Tango, contact on departure.
Dead contact departure.
Actually, 383 Juliet Tango, stay with me just a second.
Say that again? I can't.
3 Juliet Tango will stay with you.
I got it.
Okay, I got you now, 3 Juliet Tango, contact on departure.
Contact departure 119.775, is that correct, sir?
Affirmative.
Okay, so we're climb check now.
Okay.
Starts back here, no. Starts back here.
So
Boost pump off.
Contact tower,
Sure, throttle good. To maintain,
Go to 2500. Right now it's working properly.
okay.
The autopilot is working as
We're still
expected.
climbing, yep.
Connection 460.
It just seemed to screw up when we were going on an approach.
I'll set that up in a
Yeah,
minute.
makes
Okay,
sense.
so now we need to do a descent checklist. So the flow pattern, fuel, fuller tank,
It's on the fuel tank,
throttle and mixture as required,
required.
environmental system set, engine instruments check. Okay, and the altimeter was set. You set that already.
Yep,
Landing light on.
get back on path.
Landing light on.
And I can see the airport.
Okay, so just go to it. Landing light on.
Landing light on.
Brake pressure check.
We do have brake pressure.
And checklist now. Just the follow-up.
Okay, altimeter, cabin heat. So done. Cabin heat, check that, done. Landing light is on. Fuel system check. Mixture as required. And brake pressure check, done.
Okay, so the next checklist, the before landing checklist, we're too early for.
Yeah, we should be 10 miles. Oh, we're within 10 miles.
We'll make a radio call, tell them where you are and what you intend to do.
The land traffic, 383 Juliet Tango, 2,200 due up north, west of the field, inbound for runway 5, to land.
Okay, so DeLand has a pattern altitude of 1,100. Let's descend to 500 feet above it, go down to 1,600.
Yep.
I'm going to do something a little unusual here for you. DeLand traffic 3 Juliet Tango, left base, runway 5, full stop.
DeLand, look up, it's gonna have
Look different. Yeah, we're way,
We're fine.
yep,
Out farther.
we're out farther, yeah. The land trip, 383 Juliet Tango's on base for runway 5, to land.
Less power and flaps all the way down. Push and trim. For landing checklist, make sure the boost pump's on.
Mixture rich, flaps full, landing light on.
Power idle, go to idle.
Yeah, we're way high.
We're gonna do a slip. I want you to put in left aileron and right rudder. Left aileron.
Anybody on final for 5 at DeLand, over?
Yeah, we have a Cirrus on
500.
short final runway 5.
Okay, don't have you yet, but we're gonna hold short for you. Gotcha.
DeLand traffic, Skyhawk's currently left base, runway 5, DeLand traffic.
Give the power and idle now.
Yep. Just managing speed.
175, so don't touch anything yet. Don't jerky. Right to the center. Push. Look way down the runway. Look way down. I'm not letting you pull back anymore.
Just hold it, huh?
I was... Don't go crazy with the brakes. Now start slowly braking. We're going to go... Guess we're going to go to the right here.
DeLand traffic, Skyview 3 north of DeLand on the 45, securing the left downwind 5. DeLand traffic, White Skyhawk turning final for 5, DeLand.
Land traffic 383 Juliet Tango is clear on runway, on Delta.
And
Just start jumping at things. Power 1,000. Boost pump off. Then the flaps. Then the landing. Then the air conditioner.
Okay. Procedurally, power comes first.
Yeah, because the engine might quit, right?
Right, okay.
Land traffic, Cirrus 38 Juliet Tango on Delta taxiing to runway 5 via Alpha. Go up and to the right.
Land traffic, White Skyhawk, short final for 5.
See them lined up?
Yep. So you're going to do a normal takeoff. We have a 4,300 foot runway. It's going to take approximately, with the takeoff, the country club roll technique, 2,300 feet to take off. If anything happens prior to rotation, you're going to abort. After rotation, if we have an engine failure, you're going to go straight ahead until the altimeter reads 600 feet. If you have an engine failure after 600 feet, you're going to pull the caps immediately. Anything else, you're going to fly up to at least pattern altitude and figure out what's going on.
Okay.
You have the flight controls. Make a radio call on what is going to be remaining in the pattern.
Gauges are green and airspeed is alive, and I'm pushing to the left again. Rotate. A little warmer today.
Skydiving in 2 minutes, 13,000 feet down below, parachute 7.
Positive rate.
Yellow DVD crossing red zone.
Traffic.
What airspeed do we want now?
96.
We're at 93. Now they're at 96. It's hotter, so the airplane's not performing as well. The density altitude is higher. You're going to turn left at 800 feet. Don't chase that pitch. Look what that pitch did.
Yep.
You're at 91, 90.
I had to trim it up a bit.
The caps available.
Caps is available. Land traffic 383 Juliet Tango turning crosswind, runway 5 to land. Perfect. One, 1002. A little too much. Getting pushed.
There's your 1,100 feet.
Traffic.
They're on takeoff roll.
Land 1 minute, then we skydive over to land 1 minute.